Hi, Michael from Truscott's Tyre Solution. Did you know when you get your car repaired with us, you'll receive personal service and contact from the mechanic that works on your vehicle? We're your Dunlop.
Where's your indicator? Fucker, an idiot. Stupid fucking.
Oh!
And red light runner.
Yeah, right, mate.
This fuckwit, mate. Seriously. You're a fucking idiot, mate.
Is deemed a close contact and must isolate immediately for 7 days if they are vaccinated. If you were there and not fully vaccinated, you must isolate now for 14 days.
Turn left onto Dandenong Valley Highway.
And over double lines, you dickhead.
Small cut, illegible. Not legible. From the printout. The little one might even go to the gym.
I asked him to do that.
Is he going?
I wasn't sure.
With the Melbourne News briefing, the Sunshine State.
What are you waiting for? For fuck's sake! Why do we have to have the fucking morons today?
This afternoon.
Fucking unbelievable some people are. No idea in fucking driving.
Colliding with a number of vehicles and a number of the injured are being cut from their cars. To the latest water developments now, and Christmas has come early if you have family or friends in Queensland or just want to jet off there for a holiday. The Sunshine State has brought forward the date it's reopening its borders. They will now let us in on Monday, so long as we're double vaxxed and return a negative test.
Look at this, she was going to go with the fucking bus coming now. Before when it was fucking empty she wasn't going to go, now she's going to go. Fuck me.
You can't cross that fucking solid line, you dickhead!
Я бог те коте направил.
Yeah, I can see you, mate. You shouldn't be on the road, though. Look at this guy. He's gonna give me a drag. Come on, Skip. Find some grass. You can do it. Oh, we got a rabbit. That's what all the rabbits got into the race. I don't want to overtake him because he might get really, really flustered and go into my direction. Come on, mate. You can do it. You look, I'll let me go. There you go, champ.